Ever felt your brain is a thirsty sponge, but English just bounces off like water on a raincoat? You study for hours, yet when a native speaker says hi, your mind goes blank. What if the secret to fluency isn't working more, but working less? With the precision of a ninja, you can speed up your English while reclaiming your free time. Today, I'll show you how to be productively lazy. Most people are busy, but few are effective. Trying to open a locked door. You can kick it for 5 hours. That's working hard. Or spend 30 seconds finding the key. That's working smart. The biggest mistake is the safety zone trap. We love practicing what we're already good at. If you already know how to introduce yourself, stop watching those videos. You're not learning. You're just nodding at the familiar. It feels like progress, but it's a cozy lie. To get fast results, find where it hurts. Take the mirror test. Ask yourself, what part of English makes me want to hide? Is it the TH sound? Prepositions? Ordering coffee? That pain point is where your key is hidden. Spend just 15 minutes a day attacking your biggest weakness, and you'll outperform someone reviewing old material for 4 hours. Now the boredom tax. If your materials are boring, you're paying a heavy price. Your brain forgets boring things to save space. Hate politics. Don't read BBC News. Loathe grammar exercises. Stop. The most fluent people didn't study, they played. Marry English to what you love. Love cooking. Watch chaotic recipe videos. Love gaming. Play on international servers and yell "help me" to a teammate in London. When you're having fun, your brain forgets it's learning and the language slips in the back door. I recall Marco, an engineer who spent 3 years memorizing grammar rules. He could explain the future perfect continuous perfectly, but feared talking to neighbors. He was working hard, but getting nowhere. I told him to ditch the books and watch cheesy 90s sitcoms. He felt guilty at first. I'm just watching TV. But within 3 months, his English became natural, rhythmic, and fearless. He stopped treating English like a math equation and started enjoying conversation. So here's your lazy genius manifesto. Stop doing what you're good at. Attack what makes you nervous. And for heaven's sake, make it fun. You don't need 5 extra hours. You just need to stop wasting the 30 you already have. In the comments, be honest. What English thing makes you pull your hair out? And what do you love? Movies, gaming, fashion, that we can turn into your new classroom. If this lazy genius approach beats your dusty textbook, hit like and subscribe. I'm here to help you get fluent without losing your mind. Ready for the fast lane? Check the link below for programs built just for you. Let's stop working hard and start getting results.